ప్రజల భద్రత రక్షణకు ప్రభుత్వం అధిక ప్రాధాన్యత ఇస్తోందన్నారు రాష్ట్ర డీజీపీ జితేందర్. సైబర్ సెక్యూరిటీ బ్యూరో, డేటా సెక్యూరిటీ ఆఫ్ ఇండియా ఆధ్వర్యంలో హ్యాకథాన్ కార్యక్రమాన్ని డీజీపీ ప్రారంభించారు. డిజిటల్ సైబర్ సెక్యూరిటీ ప్రధానమైనదిగా మారిందని చెప్పారు. సైబర్ సెక్యూరిటీ ఏర్పాటైనప్పటి నుంచి చాలా కేసులు ఛేదించామన్నారు. సైబర్ క్రైమ్తో డబ్బు కోల్పోయిన బాధితులకు 150 కోట్లను తిరిగి అందజేశామని తెలిపారు. ప్రతి 2 నిమిషాలకు సైబర్ క్రైమ్ కేసులు నమోదవుతున్నాయని చెప్పారు శిఖా గోయల్. బాధితులకు చదువుకున్న వాళ్ళే ఎక్కువగా ఉన్నట్లు తెలిపారు.
In today's digital age, cyber security is just not a necessity but a crucial field that protects our data, privacy, safety of citizens and national security. With the rapid advancements in technology, cyber threats have become more sophisticated, making cybersecurity more important than ever. Telangana Police, you all know, is very proactive in taking interest for the safety and security of the citizens. We all know because of such concerns, lot of cyber crimes have been reported in all over the country and abroad also. As a part of our proactive approach, we have constituted Telangana State Cyber Security Bureau. It is a unique bureau which is done by any of the state in India. As a proactive approach of the government, we wanted that citizens should be protected, their life, their money, everything has to be protected. We feel that it is our duty, and that is why government has sanctioned this cyber security bureau. It has been functioning quite well, and after it has come into existence, it has solved several cases, and it has brought back the confidence of people in the law enforcement agencies. Now you all must be knowing, in several cases, in hundreds of thousands of cases, we have returned almost 90 crores of money to the citizens which they lost in cyber crimes.
That there is a significant relationship between education and vulnerability to crime. So usually it is that if you are less educated, the chances of you to become a victim of crime is more. However, in case of cyber crimes, this is not true. What we have seen is that 70% of the people who are becoming victims of cyber crime are actually educated. In fact, 56% of them actually work as private employees, including IT professionals and software engineers. And therefore, it becomes even more important that events like this help us not only in developing certain solutions, but in also creating an awareness about the cyber crimes. So I hope that all of the youngsters who are here today in this hall, and also the ones who are participating in the hackathon, and I believe are probably online, to also create an awareness amongst your families and communities about cyber crimes and what are the ways in which they can be prevented and the ways in which we can save ourselves from becoming victims to cyber crimes.
Give some data regarding our cyber security issues that we face. In India, as per the NCRB data, we have 11 lakh complaints being registered last year from January 1st to 31st of December. So that translates to 2 complaints per minute. So I think we have started our conference at 11 o'clock. So in last 30 minutes, there would have been at least 60 complaints being registered. And this is data which is available publicly. Lot of people who go through the cyber fraud, they don't even register the complaints that they have. And the transactions are also huge. For example, last year, if you see the quantum of transaction that was basically reported as fraud, it came out to be 7,500 crore rupees.